Good morning, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn math and we are going to learn units of time. Before we move to our lesson, first go through the days of the week. We know there are 7 days for a week. There are 7 days. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days for the week. And also we know that there are 12 months for the year. There are 12 months. Let's see what are the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Altogether, there are 12 months for the year. And now, let's move to our lesson. When we are talking about the time, first we remember the clock. We use clock to measure time. That is the primary unit. When you are looking at this clock, in the clock face, there are numbers from 1 to 12. And also we have 3 hands. Here I have 2, the hour hand and the minute hand. And the second hand also there. It runs very fast. This says 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals 60 seconds. That means the second hand should move 1 round, then only the minute hand will move 1. When you are clearly observe the clock, in between these two numbers, let's imagine that that is 12 and 1. In between these two numbers, we have 5 dots. Second hand should move 1 round to move the minute hand from one dot to another. That's why we call 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. And also the minute hand should move 1 round to reach 1 hour. When this moves 60 minutes only, mark 1 hour. To mark 1 hour, minute hand should move 1 round. That means 60 minutes. So we call 60 minutes is equals 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals 1 hour. And we know there are 24 hours per day. There are 24 hours per day. We consider 12 hours as morning hours and 12 hours as night, day and night. Here I have a page of a calendar. When we are looking this, when we clearly observe this, here it has mentioned the month and the year. This is January 2020. That is the month and this is the year. And here the names of the days of the week are written here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days for the week and the name of the days are here. And here I have circled 1 number. So all these numbers we call dates. There are how many dates for this month of January? It has 31 days. 31 days. It has 31 days. And this is one date. 1, 2, 3. Likewise, we can count up until we meet the end. To indicate this one day, we call date. Date. And here, 7 days, when we take 7 days from Sunday to Saturday, we call that a week. A week consists of 7 days. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what this says. 1 day is equals 24 hours. 1 week is equal 7 days. Yes, here 1 week, it has 7 days. And 1 month, it has how many weeks? It has around 1, 2, 3, 4 or more. About 4 weeks. Most of the time it is 4 or 5, not more than that. Here we have complete 3 weeks and here half, and here also it has half. And this is a photo of a full calendar of a year. Here, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All the months are there. And the dates. Stay here, see, for the month of January, it has 31 days. For the month of February, it has only 28. Here 31, 30, 31, 30. All the times it moves like 31 and 30, but only for the month of February, it has 28 or 29. All the other months has 30 or 31 days. There is a method to find whether this month has 30 or 31 days. Here you can take your hand like this and you can count. Here you can start from here and you can count January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The month which comes here, you can see there are something like hills and slopes. The month which come to these hills, they ended with 31 days. The month which comes to these slopes will end with 30 days. Here, when it comes to these hills, these tops, it ended with 31 days. And the month which comes to these slopes end with 30 days. Only the month of February is ended with 28 or 29 days. This says 1 year is equals 52 weeks. Here we can count all the weeks and check. Right here also it has 1, 2, 3, 4 complete weeks, and these are only 3 days. Here also it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally it has 4 weeks, but sometimes it moves for 5. So altogether 52 weeks are there for entire year. And there are 12 months for the year. And we call 365 days are there for 1 year. If we count all the dates together, it is 265 days for the year. You should remember these two things. 12 months are equal 1 year, and 365 days also equals 1 year. If any year has 366 days, if any year has 366 days, we call that a leap year. Normally this comes after 3 years. Once after 3 years, the 4th year will be a leap year. What is this? This pink color says 2009. And when it moved little by with the time, when it moves, it has become 2019. The gap between these two is 10. When we add 10 to this only, it becomes this. So, we call that a decade. A decade. 10 years is equals a decade. And let's move to our activity. It is there on page number 49. Workbook 2, page number 49. There you have to match these things. By looking at this, you can do your activity. When we are using a clock, we know we read the clock as quarter past, quarter to. So we indicate quarter to mention 15 minutes. When the clock reaches 15 minutes, we call that quarter an hour. 15 minutes is equals quarter of an hour. And also, when it reaches 30 minutes, we call half an hour. Half past 6, half past 7. Likewise, we read the time by looking at the clock. So, the 30 minutes is equals half an hour. And also, when it reaches 1 minute, 60 minutes, one round, we call that it is an hour. 60 minutes is equal to an hour. As well as 24 hours is equals to 1 day. 24 hours makes 1 day. And how many days are there for the week? It is 7. 7 days is equals to a week. And for the month, we learned there are around 4 weeks. So we can say 4 weeks. There are, most of the time, there are 4 complete weeks for a month. As well as we know, a year consists of 12 months. 12 months are equals to a year. And now we are going to fill these blanks. Here we have to write, here we have dates of the month, dates of the week and month of the year. We're supposed to do the previous day and the next day. Previous month and next month. Now the day is Monday. What will be the previous day? Here, what will be the date? It should be Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Likewise, we read this. Sunday. It should be Sunday. Then Sunday, Monday. What is the next day? It is Tuesday. Next, the day is Saturday. Before Saturday, what is the day? Which comes before Saturday? It is Friday. And after Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and again Sunday will come. And now, is this the day of week or a month of year? It is a month of a year. The month is March. What is the month we meet before March? January, February, March. That is February. Next, after March, April comes. January, February, March, April, May, June. July is there. Before July, we meet. What is the month we meet before July? It is June. After July, what is the month? June, July, August. August, September. That means August week before September. August, September. Then we meet August, September, October. We have filled blank. And I will summarize our today's lesson. We learned 60 seconds is equal 1 minute and 60 minutes is equals 1 hour. 24 hours is equals 1 day. And there are 7 days for 1 week. And also 52 weeks are there for 1 year. 365 days are there for 1 year. And we learned this also. Decade has 10 years. Once 10 years became decade. And century means 100 years. 100 years is equals century. Now, you have to complete page number 48 in Abacus Year 2 Workbook 2. Have a nice day. See you and thank you for watching.